Hello everyone, welcome back to course MEM220 lecture number 3. Let's start today with the simple parts drawing, but part 2. Previous week I teach you the part 1 of this simple part drawing. Let's continue now. I will teach you many new stuff as well. So in lecture number 3 actually, the goal is to teach simple sketches like this offset entities, convert entities, this one, and also how to mirror entities, move entities, copy entities. All those icons you can find it under sketches. Under sketches you can find it. Besides, learning how to repeat the sketch using linear sketch pattern, which is this one. For repetition of the part, usually we have two methods. The first of them, repeating the sketch itself. In later lectures, later on, I will teach you how to repeat the features. But today I will go to teach you how to repeat the sketch itself. And I will teach you how to create a new plane. So from this reference geometry, it will be very important. Previous week we used the top, side, and front view, plus the plane which is exists over the object itself. But if I need some extra plane in different areas in the space, usually I can use this reference geometry. Then, as I told you and I promise you, every week I will try to teach you something new about the add relation. Previous week, coincidence. This week I will go for this equal add relation and perpendicular. So training models. First, I will teach you how to design this one. If you think it's very easy, it will be square, and then we can apply extruded bus. Then after that, we cut inside. Then we can add this part. Then after that, I can make 4 holes. Then backside, I can make another 4 holes. So look, the students, I will go on to teach you step by step, but maybe some of you think that it's a bit boring method of designing. It's not mandatory, but I'm trying to make the steps very detailed in order to let you understand what it does: offset, entity, convert, mirror, move, copy. But actually, some of the students, they can design this in different methods. But the purpose is to teach you those sketches, how to apply. Second one, it will be this one. Here I will teach you how to create a new plane in order to sketch this middle part. So this is my lecture actually. So all of you, please now open your SolidWorks and let's try to design this one. Okay. So let's try open together now the SolidWorks. Okay, guys, I think all of you now you've already opened the SolidWorks. Let's start from this file, new, then parts. I choose parts. Okay. Then first step, always I telling you, don't forget to choose mmgs, millimeter gram second, international standards. Then we will start from front plane here. I can push this front plane, then sketch. After that, I go to corner rectangle. Okay, today I'm gonna go faster than before because now I think you adapt to the sketches. So I will not go so much details, just only the new part of the sketches. So from origin, we can start here. Then you can push F. After that, smart dimension. Then you can give this 100, 200 millimeter. So actually it's square. Then F button in order to bring our object to front of you or to the middle of the workspace. So after that, I apply feature extruded bus. Give please a thicknesses of 25 millimeter. Then push OK here. Okay, I will close my camera, let you focus on the object more. After that, guys, please choose this plane. Okay, this here. Okay, choose this plane. After you choose this plane, please go to what it called. This is sketch. Then after you choose this one, you go right click. After you choose, choose here, nothing happens. So I will go here, sketch. Don't forget to push the sketch here. Then new sketch appear here. Okay, new sketch appear. Don't forget to do this step. After that, let's apply this offset entities. What is offset entities? Actually, we push here, right? We push here. Offset entities, look, when I push it, look, a yellow line appear. Actually, I need this line to be inside in order to cut. Okay, so I can push reverse here. Look, reverse. Then I can give thicknesses of 5 millimeter. Then if you push OK, look, Control 8, look, automatically I could draw a square which is similar to this outer square, which is this one, but it's actually let's say smaller. So after that, please go to feature. Let me show you. Feature. Apply extruded cut here. Okay. Apply extruded cut. Then I mean how many millimeter I need? Not 25, because 25 it will be too much. So I will apply only 20 millimeter. Look, 20 millimeter. 25 actually is too much. Look, 30 it will be outside. 25 it will be cutted all. But actually no, I need 20 millimeter. Then go OK. Then look, I get my object cutted. Okay. This is the first step for cutting. Okay, I open my camera. I will show you now new stuff actually. Now please guys, can you see here this face, the narrow one here? Look, narrow one. Push this narrow one, please. This narrow one. Then right click, sketch. Okay, sketch. Then Control 8, please push Control 8. Okay. Then guys, I open my camera to show you. Look, choose this line. Look, inner line here. This inner line. Push it. It's become blue. Then please push Control button in the keyboard, and keep pushing and choose another line, which is this one. Look, I will have now two lines selected, this and this. Okay, this and this. Then go to convert entities. What I mean by that, I convert those entities to sketch. So I make it lines. They say, teacher, why we do that? We can go here line, I can draw directly. Yes, you can do. If you want, you can use this and draw two lines easily. But I'm teaching you what it is convert entities. Okay. So push this one. Push this one. Look, I mean it's become black, and beside look we have green icon. You can see a green icon. This one. It means the entities is convert. So we have now sketch of two lines. Only two lines. Okay. Then guys, choose this center line. Center line. I told you this is only for helping the sketch to be completed. So start from here, from middle here up to another middle. Here, another middle. Okay, let me close my camera now. You can push escape. Then look, I didn't finish yet. Please select this one. Select this one, the middle. Become blue. It's become blue. Then again, offset entities. Look, only one line appears. Okay. If I want two lines to be appear, look, push by directional. Don't forget this. Look, by directional. Don't forget this. By directional. Then I choose here 15 millimeter, and it's become wider. Don't forget this bi-directional, please. Then if I say okay, another two line appears. Sorry. So now I will open my camera to show you. So we have now two line here, and two line vertical, and two line horizontal. Okay, now this is my sketch. So this, and this. Now this is my sketch up to now. Look, those four lines. Okay, what is next step? Actually, I'm gonna trim this part. I will trim this part. You say, teacher, why we do this is very complicated. We can just only draw corner rectangle, it will be finished. Yes, it's true, I know, but I am teaching you what is this convert entities and offset, just to let you understand what is this. But actually you can go for rectangle and make rectangle directly. So let's go for trim entities. I push this trim entities. Then please choose trim to closest, which is this one. Last one here, trim to closest. I will choose this one. Look, message will come. You can say yes. I delete. Then again, I delete this one. Another here I delete, and here I delete. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is remaining? The remaining part is this rectangle. You can do this rectangle using this if you want, but I'm just teaching you. After that, go for OK. And then I will have my objects now. Then please go feature, extruded bus, extruded bus. Then look, where is my extruded bus? It's going outside actually. Look, it's going outside. But actually I don't want outside, I want inside. So what can I do? It's very easy. Please click here. Reverse direction. Look, I can reverse the direction of extruded bus. I will make it inside with thicknesses of 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Then I say OK. Then my object, let's say 50% ready. 50% ready. Guys, if you look at the object here, I still have 4 small circle holes to be cutted, and then here out back side also we have 4 circle. Let's try to do this cutting as well. Now guys, please select this one. Let's select this one. Then go to normal 2. It's like control 8, same. If you go here and then normal 2 is like control 8. Then right click sketch, and then please go to draw a circle randomly here. Very random. Then choose smart dimension and give a diameter of 7.5 millimeter. Then after that, from this circle to this line, it will be 10 millimeter. From this circle to this line, I need to be 7.5 millimeter as well. So its diameter 7.5 is 7.5 and 10 here. Okay, you can see now those are the dimensions. Then escape just to go for normal selection. Then please click here, click this circle, click this one. Look, it's become blue. Then go to what it called this sketch and copy entities. So you can find it here. Look, we have many stuff. Let's go for copy entities. You can push copy entities. Then entities to copy is arc1, which is this one. Then you should choose here. Look. When I'm changing x, because look, x direction is here. So I will have entities in this direction, right? If I choose this one, y, it will go to y direction here. But actually I need now y to be 0 and x to be actually 15. I can write here 15. Now 15. And then after that I say okay. Then I have 2 circles. For sure guys, if you want, you can draw another circle, give another dimension. But I told you, teaching you the method. Okay, you can say okay here now. Okay. After that, we go to, now look, I mean, we are in this mode still in the sketch editing. We go to center line from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Then after that, please push control button. Again, I will open my camera. Push the control button in the keyboard and keep pushing. Don't forget. And then select this line, this circle, and this circle. Okay, 2 arc here. Then look, I choose 2 entities now. I want to mirror to other sides, mirror around this line. So I go to mirror entities, which is this one, mirror entities. Look, it show you central line, and we have here one icon, another icon. So I will push this one. So look, entities to mirror is arc1 and arc2. Arc1 and arc2. Mirror about, push this one please, become blue, then choose this. Look, automatically it will be mirrored. Let me choose another stuff. For example, I will delete this one. If I choose this, look, this, what will happen? The two circle, it will be here. Let me delete as well. Delete. If I choose here, look, it will be mirror above this line. So whatever you choose, it will be mirror. So let me choose this one. So it will be line 3. After you finish, please don't forget to push OK. Then we will have four circles. Then guys, we can go to features, extruded cuts. Now our sketch is those 4 circles. I can show you now. So we can, choose throw all in order to cut up to, to throw all. It should be 5 millimeter, because this is the thickness of 5 millimeter. The thickness is here 5 millimeter. I choose 5 and then I go to OK. Throw all, it will be go up to the end, but I don't need this one. So it should be blind and 5 millimeter. Then I say OK. Then you can see when I push Ctrl 7, 8, Ctrl 7, look, I have 4 holes here. Okay guys, let's continue now our object. Now in the back side, we should also make another 4 holes. So I can rotate using the center button of the mouse. Look here. Then I choose this here and then sketch. Ctrl 7, Ctrl 8 is here. Ctrl 7, Ctrl 8. Okay. Now new sketch appear here. Please go circle, very random circle here. Then smart dimension, give the diameter of 15 millimeter. From here to the vertical line, it will be 20 millimeter. From circle up to the horizontal line, it will be 17.5 millimeter. So this is actually the parameter: 20, 17.5 and 15. Now guys, let me teach you another option for copy entities. It's called linear sketch pattern. Before we do, push escape in order to remove this smart dimension. Then choose these entities. Look, I choose, it's become blue. Then linear sketch pattern. Okay. Look, directly one circle appear with one arrow here. So x-axis, if I push this one reverse direction, it will be reverse, right? But I should go right, to the right direction. Then here, using this, you can move on x direct axis. Okay. How much I should give? I will go for 60 millimeter. Then here the number of pieces is 2. Actually, here this number 1 and number 2. Let's go for y. Why it show only 1, but actually I need 2. Let me make it 2. Look, I can make it 3 if you want. I can make it 4, as you want. I will make it 2 now. Here you can increase by using arrow, but I will go for 65 millimeter. Okay. The angle is 90. The entities to pattern is arc1, which is this one. This is arc1. After everything will be done, then I should click OK now here. then I will have four circles. I will have 4 circles. Then after that, please choose features, extruded cuts. Then look how much I should cut it. I can say throw all if you want, or you can choose the backside thicknesses. Okay. So this is, I mean, up to you. You can, for example, make it blind and choose the thicknesses. I think it's 5 millimeter if you calculate it, or I can go for throw all because it will not affect my design. Then after that I say okay, and now my object is ready. You can see the objects. Then after that you can go for save as parts in order to save it as the SolidWorks, and then our design will be finished. So let's say, for example, this is part 3. You can open anytime in order to edit the design. Okay guys, now we finished from designing this first training model. Now let's go to design this one. Actually it's easy, but I will show you how to create the new plane in order to draw this triangle. So let's open a new part in the SolidWorks. Okay guys, you can open here file, new, parts, okay. Then after that, logically, we should start from top plane. I choose this top plane, select, sketch, then I will go to sketch a rectangle, corner rectangle. From here the original. You can give dimension of 100 millimeter with 50 millimeter. And push F, and don't forget this should be MMGS. After that, features, extruded bus, go 10 millimeter, and then I can say okay, 10 millimeter, and then I can say okay. Okay, Control 7. This is my sketch. Look now guys, if I choose this plane, I will draw on this top down, and this is here. But the rectangle, triangle, it will be here in the middle of this. So it's not front, but actually it's parallel with front. It's parallel with this front plane, but it's here. So definitely I need to create a new plane, So how I can choose that? Please first select this face because it's parallel with this face. So I can select, it's become blue. I can select this face, please. Feature, then reference geometry, features, reference geometry, and then plane here. Look, automatically the SolidWorks show you one new plane, but actually is opposite direction. I want to be in that direction. So what can I do? We can go here, flip offsets, and then it can be reverse. I mean, let's say flip to the reverse direction. Look. And how much I need? I can choose whatever I want, the new plane, but it should be middle of this. So the part is 50. So I can go for 25, exactly 25. Then if you say okay, the new plane will appear. Look, now we have front plane, we have top plane, we have right plane, and we have plane number one. Plane number one. You can rename as you want. If you can put any name here if you want. Let's say mid plane. Okay, mid plane. It will be mid plane. So please choose this, select this one, right click and then sketch. Sketch over this plane. Okay. Control 8. Control 8. Now I will draw my rectangle. Starting from here. Actually. Okay. Starting from here. So what can I do? I will go for very random. From here, look, very random. Very random rectangle, as you see here now. Then after that, smart dimension, you can give this 40 millimeter. Then from here to here, the height of this triangle, it will be also 40. Okay. Then I need to have equal dimension between this and this. How I can make these two equal? I can give smart dimension measurement for these two. Now this is, for example, how much? 44.25. This is 44.22. Okay, 44.22 actually. So I need to make it equal. So I can select this, become light blue, then push control button and then select another one here. Then look, a new relations appear here. What is our goal is to make it equal, so you can push this equal. Look, now a green icon appear. It's written equal to. So both of them are equal now. Okay. Now please use central line and start from the head up to, look, when I go here, look, automatically the mid line appear here, right? When I choose this here, midline appear automatically here, right? I push here, so this point is midpoint of this big line, is midpoint. And what is the purpose of creating this line? Actually, I want to move this triangle to the middle. So what I do, look, this is actually a trick. Just choose this. We have now new add relation. If I make it vertical, look, automatically it will become in the middle of this plane, So I can say okay here. Another way. Let me show you. Now I make Control Z just to make undo. Another way you can push this line. Push control and then please choose this line. which is here. Okay. Now another add relation appear, but different. Actually, it's different. I need to make this line with this line what? It should be perpendicular in order to make it in the middle. So I push perpendicular. Okay, look, it's become also in the middle of these 2 points. Why? Because the connection between this center line is from the head of triangle up to the middle of this plane. So I teach you now different way. Then I can say here, okay. And I have my triangle. My triangle. Okay, guys. Let me also show another way of other relations. Just make undo, Control Z. I'm pushing this undo. Then undo again, another undo. Then Control 8. And then please remove this as well. I will delete this one. I will show you another way. For example, you can see now the another way. You can go from sketch and we have this point. Okay, point. I can add this point to any place I want. Look, when I move my pen here, I will add it actually here. Look, in the middle of the plane, right? Again, look, when I move here, I approach here, one yellow point appear. When I push this, look, I have now point. Can you see this blue, light blue point? Then what I do, escape, then look, I choose this line, point, then push control and keep pushing and select this, the basement of the triangle, basement with this line. And then we have new add relation. If you push midpoint, look, it's also automatically, it can come to the middle of the plane. This also another way. Now I teach you many different way: horizontal relation, perpendicular relation, midpoint. This is, I mean, up to you. You can choose whatever you want. Now, now we are not in the editing mode, but we can add feature actually. Just add feature, extruded bus. But look here, there is some message. I can choose this. Look, I select this, then automatically it will be saved, because without selection we cannot have any extruded bus. So again, I will show you. If I'm not in the editing mode, look, sketch is finished. It's become gray color. Look, if you push it, become gray. If I push feature extruded bus, one message appears, say please select the plane or object. I will select this object. Look, then it's become blue, light blue. Then I have my triangle to one direction, but actually no, I need to be extruded bus, guys, from two direction, from this direction and this direction, both direction together. So let's do that. We can go to this and mid plane. Look, it will become extruded from both direction. You can give 10 millimeters. It's enough, 5 by 5. Then I can say okay. And you can see now our objects. You can go save as part 4, let's say part 4, and then job done. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my student, for listening to lecture number 3. Actually, this is end of my lecture. I hope you get benefit from this lecture. And see you next week with more interesting design of SolidWorks. See you. Bye bye.